This entire video was created with Canva AI Video Generator. No complicated prompts, no expensive video software, just one idea, one prompt, and Canva. Let me show you exactly how to create this. Okay, now we are looking at Canva AI Video Generator. We can do this directly inside Canva. For that, you can open Canva app or website. After logging in, look at the bottom left for the Canva AI option. So, after clicking that, you will see 5 options: design, image, document, code, or video clip. Since we are making a video, we select video clip. Next, it asks for AI premium level. It says, balanced, great quality and efficiency, ideal for most tasks. But I am choosing Ultra. I selected Ultra. Next, for style, I choose cinematic. Next, for aspect ratio, I keep the default 16:9. Options for Reels, 9:16, are coming soon. Next in audio, I click Add Audio, but sometimes it takes no audio by default. For some videos, audio does not generate. However, this issue was not there 6 months ago as I created a video earlier. You can see how nicely it came out. I will put that link in the description as well. I skip framing and lighting options because I plan to specify them directly in the text prompt. Now I am pasting the prompt that I prepared earlier. I have also provided this prompt in the video description, so you can copy it. Okay, after entering it, I click Submit. So now it is fetching. It displays a notice saying, I can create a video without audio using your current premium quality instead. I just click what it suggested. Switch to Ultra and create your video. Okay, I selected that. Now it is generating. Let us see how it comes out. So, it has been loading for a while.
A few moments later.
Okay, it is generated. Let us play and watch the generated video. So I clicked play. Wow, the Cyberpunk Fight Scene turned out really impressive. I am not sure what is written on the billboard in Chinese behind the characters, but if you know what it says, please type it in the comments section. Okay, now let us try giving another prompt and test one more video. I downloaded this one. If you come back to Canva AI, you will see the same options. Now I am entering a different prompt: futuristic skyline, dark storm clouds, distant lightning. Okay, I entered that prompt and clicked Create again. Let us see if it creates. You've reached your plan's monthly AI limit. It resets on August 9th. Looks like we can only generate one per day because it says August 9th and today is August 8th. Honestly, limiting to one per day feels a bit tight. Anyway, it can create without audio in premium quality, so let us see how that works. But again, it says, unfortunately, I can't generate. They ask us to wait 1.5 minutes before trying again. All right, friends, we can create one AI video per day for free. Keep that in mind, and we can try again on the second day. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and support our channel. Your support gives me confidence to create more content like this.